Hello, Mohandes into Kebukebuku na watch, and today is Friday, the 13th day of December 2024. Origi Lurula Kone si Eru Ayalashala na Ihuoro Eba Mubu na Weba na Bo Eberi Omuma Ariaria Junction Asamato here in Osomangwa local government. For a very long time anyway, I have not been here. I'm not pushing the report from this angle. I'm Nana Raw actually, because with what I'm seeing, I know drainage, there's a lot of construction of drainage. Now these are all important roads, so I never knew. Some of the equipment lining follow along the road. This Ariaria Junction, the Omuma axis. So I left here disappointed. So I never knew that they are doing drainage construction up until today. Maabia who say about such a fresh sand, and I happened to see one of the engineers. Majuseni say, "See me no way Hana here. Na check am baby. Why will I tell my people mom? They remove them the information. Put Orusinaga. He not told me that I'm Gawani who I'm going down a row. Yes, equipment even Mandocha Onyocha, but on the tunnel end in area anyway. So their vehicles are all working. Arrogant drainage, then Abasawaja and Abasaji, they go their truck, or their truck and Adiaketa. Yes, here Friday edition of Kebukebu TV from tunnel end. So they require most of their earth moving equipment all packed by the side of the road. So as maybe they know all as usual. I'm bringing here to you guys, our followers all over the world who know who go to Aga. Maybe before me, Sheba will also be going towards about the drainage construction. The drainage in our Samato in Eberi Omuma Ariaria Junction in Osomangwa local government of the state. So here I'm gonna watch Kebukebu TV. You just hit the notification button, like and subscribe, follow us on all social media handles. I believe Abia will be united and development and be more faster and also better. So keep it on Kebukebu TV. Let's keep moving. We can show you more on this side. People, Kebukebu TV no na Ariaria Junction Eberi Omuma Samato to be precise. And I'm one of the shop. Our governor na various places in town in the Abayi state and Exebaron. Even though no matter what I said, because I'm now all about the bad. So let's hear from me.
Government. So I want to go back. Shop again. Asamoka number 1 Asamoka Eberi Omuma road.
Yeah.
So you learn you're gonna to governor Yabala. I mean you're not machine mechanic. Oza I know share got behind the shady. So how the first time I knew how you run Oza. So I block up on a good she can run and not run they should got Ogadanya Zimma. Ogadanya Zimma because I told him the Sheba but I'm a hair. Magare, Mandakor, if you share back up at a court, if you share back at Lagos. So those are little to many places. So I will go on a good secret, Tiranu, Tiarani, Tiuma like a week on Brania, Rolly, Shogadanya, Zimanezia. There.
So you're not going to be that road in Osa before?
For the first time, I never thought about this road. I won't ban here. So I will go on a good secret man and call them.
Our mayor, Ruabandre, and River
State and the other state.
Yeah.
But
apart from Osa, the Mediterranean maybe or rock again, Mediterranean message, the baby. And when they know the governor Mela, they go bimba.
How the government and the Mao, the most important thing, why I need the road and I wanted to hear your electric. I need the rock because I'm been industrious at this stage. So I will get Marania, I'm not challenged on your electric. I can walk a hand of women and we can never agaga. Governor, I ain't make a lemon and don't name because I am handle medical. I'm going to handle on the medical as a guru and I can't handle it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Ihu na nko si ruo ihu no tesi gbo onye bi mma nkuru to ti we say ya. So I know na sama ka Eberi Omuma here in Osisioma local government. Ihe ndị bi ebe a nọ na-ayọ onwe ihe ọzọ na-awụ ka Chineke ekpuchi awa gọvanọ na ọsọ nyere ya aka ka o nwere ike lee ma ga ime ụzọ a metata ụzọ a ruo na bandịrị ụzọ a leading to two bandịrị eji connect Imo State ejikwa connect Rivers State. Yes, Abalam from airport from River State about through Oza. Oh no, very close. And those are connected with Fox Road to Ariaria Junction. So we're connected. So many here. And one good thing about this road, so many investors, so many property owners, in the June area name business, they were all relocating. Now all they may expand all this place because now the biggest market in Aba. So according to him in interview in Gongom, now they have never seen anything like that road since creation of Abia State. I want to be a that road before, but today the dye is scarce. Today on a regular tunnel end, because of Abia State government is bringing something important, something miraculous, something better in this land. So on our road to different places, I confirm I the little we can be able to give, the little we can be able to capture, we'll do it with all our minds, with all our strength, and also do it to the glory of God. Today, Friday, the 13th day of December 2024, Kebu report from Eberi Omuma, Ariaria Junction, Asamoka, in Osisioma local government, Ebe tunnel and course of Abia State government. Now route to be enrolled before, it be drainage before, I hope be that road before. See, it's an all important road connected to two states. You can share connect River State, you can share connect Imo State, you can share airport, you can share so many places. You already farm produce in the Sheba Pota, Kanku. I got boy here, we be one in the Cebu. So many things are really. So many things. Farm I name improve. I name you are for IGR and Habagu and also I name me. So the governor of Buana, do to better knock on we can expand the state, or we can have share over there. Oh, be the road, it's a good all. Kaka Warake now walk very, very well. And then how no help can name me. The contractor handling this project when the tunnel end, Hanokani back to back. They push your hand just to restore, recover, and also make things, put things in proper perspective. So here now watch you with Kebu TV as it comes to the little you could be able to bring to your notice. So we happy feeling that we are that the government is relenting. We are not relenting. Back to back. So keep it on Kebu TV. Or here could can name me. Or when we hand us any you bring it to your notice. We'll do that without giving up, without relenting, and also without looking to anybody's face. You are watching Kebu TV. I love you all. Utua Kode Elibulam.